Hi all, welcome back to EmbeddedBrew, and today we are here to learn something new after a few months. I know the lighting setup is not that much good and the background is also very simple because I am not in the EmbeddedBrew lab. I am somewhere else and a lot of things happen in the last few months. If you want to know, you can check out my vlog channel, that is somewhere in the description, you can find it. And coming to today's video, we are going to get started with the GY-30 light sensor module, and we will learn that how it is working, how to use it, and what are the things we need to do with the configuration setup. So without any delay, let's kick off today's video. So here we have this GY-30 light sensor module, and if you look closely, here you can see there is a small chip. And this is the BH1750. This particular small chip is the region of light sensing. All these are just components like resistor and transistors, but this is the main component. As you can see, this is so small. So now let's do one thing. We are going to work with this module. For that, we are going to use the Arduino Nano and some jumper wires to connect these two devices. So let me connect the jumper wire right here, and you can follow the circuit diagram to connect the wires with the Arduino Nano. Now it's done. Now let's connect this to our laptop and open the Arduino IDE. So this is the basic coding you can see in the Arduino IDE, and here we have included the wire.h library because we are going to work with the serial data and serial clock. For that we need the wire.h library. Then we need this bh17.h library, and you can go to library manager and search for this particular library, and you can download this Christopher Lodge. This particular library is working with it. Then in the void setup part we have this wire.begin, then light meter.begin. So this will initialize the wire communication and the light meter. Then in the void loop we have declared the lux as light meter, read light level. So this one will read the light level. Then serial print the light value in lux because we know light intensity measured in lux. So go to the board manager, and here you can choose your board and click on upload. It will take few seconds to upload. Now open the serial monitor, and here you can see, oh, it's still uploading. You might get some error during the uploading. So go to tools, check for processor and choose the Atmega 3280p old bootloader. I have chosen 3280p only, that's why it is not uploading right now. You will see I will get some error. So I am cancelling this one and go to tools, processor, old mega, old bootloader. Now click on upload. See, as you can see, done compiling, and now it's uploading. See, done uploading. Now click on serial monitor, and here you can see nothing. Why you can't see anything? Click on reset here. Can you tell me in the comment section below why I am not getting anything here? Let me tell you, I have not added one thing here, serial.begin. So serial begin will initialize the serial monitor. Now I have added it here. So now click on upload. Done compiling, uploading, and done uploading. Now you can see I can open the serial monitor. Oh, now I can open the serial monitor, and here you can see the device is not configured. That means something is wrong. Maybe I have added the wires differently. Let's check it out. So the SCL pin should go to A5 and STA should go to A4, and I have connected it in a reverse way. That's why it is not showing any output. Let me just interchange the pins. That's why I said you should always check the circuit connection properly before starting. As you can see, now I have changed it, and you can see we can measure the light intensity now. So it is quite dark here, so not much dark, but it is showing 82 lux. So I am not using any kind of light, that's why. But if I will start using some light, then it will go like 230, 250 depending on the intensity of light. So right now it is 85 lux, 83 lux, that's how it's varying. Okay, we have done that, we found the intensity. But what we are going to do with it? What is its requirement? Why do we need this intensity value? So let's say we can connect one LED to the output, so that whenever the value will increase, the light intensity will decrease, the LED can automatically turn on. Let's see. So now let's do one thing. I have this small LED light with me right here. Okay, so I will connect it to the D2 pin of this Arduino and the other pin to the ground. You should always connect it with a resistor, but I know nothing will happen to this one. Now let's do some changes in the code, and here you can see everything is same. So I have just declared the constant integer, that is LED pin, connected to digital pin 2. Then I have added a threshold like 50, and this part is also same. Pin mode we have declared LED pin as output. Then in the void loop section, this part was already there. Here I have added one if else loop. So if lux value is less than the threshold, then digital write LED pin high, that will turn on the LED. Otherwise the LED will be off. So that's how it is. Now let's upload. Arduino Nano is already connected here, so done compiling, uploading, done uploading. Now let's open the serial monitor here. As you can see, the lux value is right now 89. Let me cover it. You can see the lux value is now 40, 45, even 15, 6, 10, depending how dark I am making it. And you can see the LED is also glowing now. Let me remove my hand. It is increased to around 90, 89 like that, and the LED is off. I'm covering it again, like 1, you can see 90. See, even on 46 or 45 the LED is glowing, because we have added the threshold. We have defined the threshold as 50. So that's how it is working. And so this is something that we can use with the street lights, and mostly it is also already implemented thing, that whenever the sun sets, the light intensity will decrease, and according to that the street lights are automatically glowing. So this thing is already implemented. So then why we are doing it? Just to know how the things work. We are learning the things. But what else we can do? We can add something more to it, so that like according to the intensity value, we can control the brightness of the LED as well. Let's see how it is working. So that's how we are controlling the on-off characteristics of this LED. Now let's working on how to control this brightness of the LED using the sensor. For that, everything is same like the previous one. This is same. Here we have used the integer LED pin. Here we have used the D3 pin. Why? Because D2 pin does not support the PWM. D3 pin is the one with the PWM support. You want to know what is PWM? Then if you don't know this, then definitely you are new to Arduino coding. And I will suggest you to join this 7-day Arduino master class on our website. And this is definitely free for first 50 participants. So don't be late and check out this website link in the description below and join the program, learn and grow from basics to a very advanced level. In the void setup part, everything is same. In the void loop part, everything is same. Just here, instead of the if else loop, we have used the LED brightness integer, where we have mapped the brightness of the LED. So as it is going, and LED brightness will go from 0 to 255 depending upon the sensing property. So here the maximum is 255 and the minimum is, as you can see here, let's say 85. Okay, you can change it to 85. Now click on upload. So the lux value will vary from 0 to 85. According to that, we can see the brightness. So now you can see it is 83 or 84. Now let me change it first to D3 pin here, like this. As you can see, the lux value is 82. Let's increase it to, let's say, 90. Okay. Now click on upload again. Remember, I have changed the LED from D2 to D3 now. Okay. So now you can see the lux value is 86 and you can see the LED is glowing slowly. Let me decrease the lux value to, let's say, 58 or 62, 64. It is growing like this. I'm decreasing more. You can see 46. Like more I decrease, the brightness is changing. You can notice it easily. It is not turning off properly, but just the brightness is reducing, you can notice. So that's how it is working, right? I hope that you understood the basics of GY-30 module. So right now I am using just one LED. You can use a relay module to control your home lights using this GY-30 module as well. So for today's video, we are going to stop right here. But you can find the full blog in our website and the link is already given in the description below to check out that. And don't forget to like the video and let me know your thoughts, your suggestions, any questions in the comment section below. And yes, if you are making it, then let me know what creativity you are doing and you can upload it in our website forum or social media, anywhere, and you can tag. So that's all, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit that bell icon so that whenever I will upload a new video, you can get the instant notification. See you in the next one. Till then, be cool, work smart.